What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro, checking back in for another episode of What I Wish I Knew Wednesday. And today, I wanted to talk about how you can shoot video with your iPhone or any mobile device that you have. But before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. So nowadays, you do not have to hire a big videography company to come in and record content for yourself. You could do this by yourself by reaching into your pocket and grabbing out your phone. So today, I wanted to run through some techniques you could use to capture great content by using your phone. A few things you want to think about when recording content is the audio, visual, and lighting. So when thinking about the audio, visual, and lighting when it comes to recording with a mobile phone, you first have to start out with the audio. And a couple good ways to get good audio out of your phone is to either use an external microphone and then match it up in post, which can be a little bit more difficult, so that might not be up everyone's alley. Or you could use headphones by either plugging them into your phone, or if you have AirPods or any other wireless headphones, I believe you can record the sound by wearing that. So if you want to step up your audio, those are some of the different ways you can go about it. Now, moving on to the visual. The best thing that you can do to make sure your video looks good is that it is stabilized. I'd suggest setting up on a desk or a table or somewhere that's sturdy that you can keep it still while you're speaking to the camera. Or even better, if you have a tripod or a mini tripod, that can work too as well, because you can place it anywhere on a sturdy surface and be able to get that good visual content from your mobile device. And the last thing you're going to want to think about is the lighting, and that completes the AVL. The lighting, you either want to use natural light or artificial lights that you can make the scene look a lot better. So I'd suggest, if you don't have any artificial lights that you have purchased, I would say record during the daytime when good sunlight is coming into your house. That way you can use it to your advantage and create great visuals that way. So I really wish I knew these tips when I first started out, because I thought the iPhone was limited. But really, it was only limited because I didn't understand the power that it had. With good audio, visual, and lighting, you can make any recording device look professional. So join us back here this upcoming Sunday, where I'll jump behind the camera and show you how I take advantage of shooting on my iPhone. I'll show you how you could set up the phone for good stabilization, good lighting options to use, and how I'd go about recording the audio for it. And that's everything I have for today's video. Please like if you did, comment down below if there's anything you wish you knew, and share this video if you think it could help anybody. Can't wait to see you next Wednesday for another episode of What I Wish I Knew. Until then, keep creating.